Let us calculate the potential at any point P due to a dipole. Okay, so this is very easy derivation and little bit short, okay, than as compared to the derivation given in the box. So this is my dipole. This is minus q and this is plus q. Okay, A and B is the point, and this is the point B where I want to find the electric potential. Okay, it means that how much is the electric potential at this point P. So from A to P, this is R1. Okay, from B to P, this is R2, and from A to B is A and A, that is A plus A, 2A total distance, and this O is the midpoint of A and B, and a line passing from O to P is R. Okay, so R is equal to OP, and the angle between A, B and OP is theta. Okay, so I have already reconstruct the things for some easy purpose to derive. So I have considered this angle, which is the angle between AB and OP, and this is the angle theta. And from this OP, I have construct a dash line construction extended to M, and from A I have considered a line making a 90 degree. So this is 90 degree. From here also, this is also 90 degree. Okay, BN and AN. So if it is theta, then this will also become theta. Why? Because these two are vertically opposite angles, and vertically opposite angles are equal. Okay, so this is theta and theta. So I want to find the electric potential at point P. So how much will be the electric potential at point P? Will be equal to V due to plus Q plus V due to minus Q. Okay, so this will be the net electric potential at point P. And now we know the formula of V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R. Okay, so now let us find V positive. Okay, therefore, so V plus Q is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R. R is the distance. So R is from B to P, isn't it? For plus Q it is B, P. Or you can also write R2, okay? But I will write here B, P. Okay? Now very interesting thing is that how much is BP? Okay, now it is very simple. Now you hold it like this, okay? You hold it like this and move it like this, like a pendulum, as if it is like this. So if it is B, now from this, whenever you hold it and make it like this, see here, like this and like this. What is happening? From B, it is going and reaching at N. So it is very simple. You hold it like this and round it like this, okay, like a pendulum. It means that it is just like this. Whenever it is at B, it is BP, B to P, and you hold it like this and it will reach to N. It means that BP, this BP is almost equal to NP. Okay, you hold it like this, it will reach here. Okay, BP will reach here and it will become NP. So, from geometry, okay, from geometry, what we can write, BP is almost equal to NP, or this BP is equal to NP. Now after this step I can write equal to NP. Now how much is NP? You take the whole distance from O to P, okay, from O to P, and you subtract this, you get NP. Okay, it means OP minus ON, you will get NP. So this will be equal to how much then? NP is equal to OP minus ON. This is my BP. Okay. Now how much is OP? OP is my R. Okay. So from O to P it is my R. So this will be equal to R minus ON. Now let me find how much is ON from this triangle. Okay. ONP, which is a right So this is perpendicular here and this is theta, and you know that from perpendicular or from 90 degree opposite side is always hypotenuse. So this is my hypotenuse and this is my theta, and the line between angle and 90 degree is always base. So this is theta angle and this is 90 degree and this is always b plus 7. Then if it is base, if it is hypotenuse, then this is perpendicular. So how to find O and ON can be found using cos theta. Cos theta is equals to base by h. Okay. सचिन को प्याड हरायो, कसले बोकेर हिँड्यो, त्यसलाई पुलिसले बजायो, कसले बोकेर हिँड्यो, and this will be equal to h cos of theta is equal to base. So how much is h? Is my OB, O to B, which is my A here. So I will write A, and what is cos theta? Simply cos of theta. Okay. Then equal to base. What is my base? Base is ON. So this is my ON. So then we got ON is equal to A cos theta. So here I will write A cos theta. So then this will be R minus A cos theta. Okay. Now see, this is 90 degree, this is also 90 degree, this is theta, this is also theta. Then ON will be equal to ON. So this will, how much? This will also become A cos theta. Okay, similar to that one. So then this equation will become, therefore V plus Q is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, that is Q divided by, how much is BP now? BP, this is my BP, right? This is R minus A cos theta. R minus A cos theta. So how much do I get this? Finally I got this is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q divided by, look at here, R minus A cos theta. So I got the value. Okay. So I will clean this. Now let me go to V negative. Okay. Now for V of minus Q is equal to, again, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught minus Q. And please remember, whenever you calculate potential, you have to put the positive and negative sign. So I am putting negative sign here, and there is a R from negative, that is A P, isn't it? So I will write A P. Okay. Now again what you do here is same thing. You hold it like this and swing it like a pendulum like this. Okay. So whenever you hold it pendulum like this, then this A is coming and meeting at M. So this was A P. Whenever you hold it like this and it is coming to M P, it means that this AP is almost equal to MP. Okay. So this you hold it like this, sort करो ऐसा करके, तो ये A यहाँ पर M हो जाएगा. Okay. Again you have to write from geometry. You have to write from geometry. AP is almost equal to MP. है ना बच्चों? और this AP is now equal to MP. Okay. Now how much is MP? MP is MO plus OP. Okay. So or just write AP is equal to MP is MO. This is MO plus then MO plus OP. OP then which is equal to MO. This MO is again A cos theta. So A cos of theta plus OP. Again this is my R. So this is my AP. So what do I get? This will become, then you have to write below. Okay. Then this will become 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. This minus I will take it here. This equation you have to write here. Okay. Therefore karke. So then there will be Q divided by, what is there? R plus A cos theta. I can write. So this is R plus A cos of theta. Okay. Now let me put the values of v plus q and v minus q in equation 1. What do I get? Therefore, potential at P is equal to v plus q is this one, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r minus a cos theta. Then there will be a plus and this is minus. Okay, here will come minus because of v minus. So plus minus minus. Okay, minus again 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r plus a cos theta. Right? Now if you see here, what are the common? Common is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is common. Also this q is also common. So I can always write here q. Okay, q and this 4 pi epsilon naught is common. Now big bracket, what do I get? Here I will get 1 by r minus a cos theta. Now this is very simple. This is simply the mathematics. Now minus 1 by r plus a cos of theta. Okay. Then taking LCM, this will become q by 4 pi epsilon naught. This will come here and multiply with 1. I get r plus a cos of theta. There is minus and it will go there. So this will become r minus a cos of theta whole bracket divided by, why I am putting here bracket, because there are two terms. Okay, but you can always do it directly also. Then this will become r minus a cos of theta into r plus a cos of theta. Okay, now what to do? It is very simple. It has become very simple. Okay, so implies this v at p is equal to q by 4 pi epsilon naught big bracket. This will become r plus a cos theta. So minus plus is minus r, minus minus is plus a cos of theta whole divided by what is there? A plus b, like this, a plus b. Okay, a minus b. So this will become a square minus b square, right? So a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square. What is a? This is r square. Okay, minus what is b? This is a cos theta whole square. This is done. Now this is q by 4 pi epsilon naught. If you see here, plus r and minus r cancels, then you get a cos theta, a cos theta, 2a cos theta divided by r square minus a square cos square theta. Okay, now it has become very easy. So I will take 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, then this is q 2a cos of theta divided by r square minus a square cos square theta. So this is v at p. Okay, this is all about this. Now one more thing is there. So this will become 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q2a is p cos of theta divided by r square minus a square cos square theta. So this is all about the potential at point P. What is P? Where P is equal to Q2A, which is called dipole moment. Okay. Now let me give you one condition. Okay, special condition. If this R is very long, and if A is very small. Okay. Now this is when, that's right, when R is much greater than A, then implies this A square is almost equal to 0 as compared with R square. Okay, so this R is very long and this is very small, then A square can be termed as 0 as compared to R square. Then what do I get? Tell me. Then the equation will become here. You see here, this V at P will become 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. There is P cos theta divided by, there is R square, and this A square will become 0 and this whole term will become 0. So this is the potential at any point due to a dipole. Now the importance of this equation is that using this equation we can always calculate the potential at axial point, potential at equatorial point. How? So using this, okay, let me hide, okay, potential at axial point, okay. So this is the speciality of this one. Axial point, for that what I need to do, this point was here and I have to bring this point down and make it here P. It means that it was like this. Whenever you make it like this axial point, and what will be the theta here? This theta will become 0 degree, isn't it? It was like this, and this theta is 0 degree. Then cos theta will become how much? Cos 0 degree is equal to 1. So therefore VP axial is equal to, there is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught P cos theta is 1 divided by R square, which we have already calculated. Okay, next is, now let me go to potential at equatorial point. Okay, so equatorial point means it is somewhere here, isn't it? At this point it is somewhere here like this. Now at equatorial point, what will be the angle? The angle will be theta is equal to 90 degree, because from equatorial it is the point midpoint. I have to make a line like this, and this angle will be 90 degree. So cos 90 will be how much then? Cos 90 degree is equal to 0. Here this will become 0. Then VP equatorial will become what? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. This is this, and cos of theta has become 0. So this will become 0. Okay. So we have already done this. Very easy. Thank you.